I decided to make him something befitting of the Egusi Soup that he is. Tu connais la sauce pistache qu'on voit chaque fois sur Nollywood? Aujourd'hui, on va faire ça ensemble. Ahambu, Ayok and Cecilia, Wunye, Pastor Gospel V. Oops, you don't understand Igbo. Fine. So, bienvenue chez Anne Cecilia's Voice et aujourd'hui je vous amène à Nigeria. Tu connais la sauce pistache qu'on voit chaque fois sur Nollywood? Aujourd'hui, on va faire ça ensemble. Oh, you still don't understand French? Okay. Welcome to Aunt Cecilia's Voice. Today we are going to be making the Nigerian Egusi Soup. So my husband has been away for close to a month, and as an Igbo man, a fine man, a good man, my good husband that he is, I decided to do something out of the normal. I decided to make him something befitting of the Egusi Soup that he is. To give him the kingly treatment, the treatment befitting for a first son, befitting for a man that is a good husband, my good husband. So I decided to take him to his roots, and come with me to my kitchen, and together let us make the Nigerian Egusi Soup the Igbo way. Join me. Okay guys, so this is exactly what we'll be needing to make our Nigerian Egusi Soup. Firstly, these are melon seeds. I already blended them with some ope, and it's already there. I think it's like 2 cups of egusi. So this is my first time making it, so I really want to be like do small. So this is stockfish we'll be putting into the soup, and then see some Cameroonian now, you know, and I love this fish. I don't know how it's called. Please, can you help me? How do they call this? So of course I had to put some Cameroonianness into the soup, so I actually got this extra fish. And then this is pepper. Don't be afraid, I'm not using it all. I got this pepper for 100 francs, and then this is a cow skin we'll be putting into it. And then this is the quantity of crayfish I'll be using. And then this is actually called achi. Pardon me, it's called achi. Okay. Since I'm not using mango, that's ogbono, so it's gonna help to make this soup, I think, slimy. So this too, it's 400 francs. And then this is the salt, this is my cubes, and so this is actually how the ope looks like here. So I actually mixed it into this egusi here, so this is how it actually looks like. And then I really don't know how to cook my soup without garlic. I love the flavor, I love it. So let's see if I'm going to use it this time around. And then this is my Uziza leaves. I got this for I think 200 francs. And my oil, palm oil, all the way from Bamenda. You have to taste this. So this is actually what we'll be needing for our egusi soup. Come with me, let's get started. I can actually perceive the soup already from the ope flavor. So let's get started.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is exactly what we have. I ended up boiling. This is the kanda, that's this, cow skin. I also added chicken, a boiled chicken. You know what is made without chicken for an edogo like my husband. So this is some chicken, and beneath it is I think dried fish or so. And then this is our stockfish. I really don't know why it's looking so bony. And that vegetable, this is it, that already washed and sliced. And we are going to move over to mixing the egusi. So I'm going to add water. This is water here. I'm going to add some water to mix it so I can start frying it. Let's go. So ensure to put your pot on the fire and let it simmer for a minute. You now pour the egusi paste and you start stirring and stirring and stirring. Sincerely, at this point I didn't understand somehow, because I'm like, what is going on? I kept on stirring.
One eternity later.
And yeah, you can see that it started getting thick. Yeah, I followed the recipe, and look what we have here. My sister came around. Journey of Nigerian Egusi Soup. What can you say?
It's my first time of seeing this kind of soup.
Okay.
So I'm saying, even though I know the ingredients, but the manner of cooking it is different from us.
Do you know utazi leaf?
Utazi. I'm sure it should be water leaf.
It's not. It's utazi.
Utazi.
Do you know okpei?
Yeah. Ikpei. Who can be say ikpei no?
Oh, you know wadawa.
Eh?
So how do you feel about trying out?
Maybe they just don't.
2,000 years later.
So at this point you can see that egusi is already kind of getting thick. I am following the recipe which says the frying mode, okay? So at this point I started adding all the orishi, the fish, chicken, cow skin, everything, and started stirring. And since it just looks amazing, like, okay, putting the everything. Now that's the stock. Now putting the cubes, and it's already feeling like just can get the flavor, of course. And yeah, so this is now actually the achi. I mixed in warm water, and I actually added now into the soup and stirred. At a point in time I actually covered to cook. Yeah, so I stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred, and now it was time for me to add the vegetables. I did add, and my goodness, stirring again, stir, 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 and look at what we have. This is how it looks like. Yeah, at this point you just have to get your curry, your fufu, everything, and voila. It is at this point where you get to eat the fruits of your labor. I was in the kitchen. Okay, so let's get to see if it's that delicious. Of course, from the look. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kweziono. My goodness, this is so tasty, right? You're welcome to visit me, okay? If you need the address, just let me know, because this is delicious. So at this point, when I say, feel free to marry a bangy woman. Mukwa, if she loves you, what a peace of mind we should give you. And if you love this cooking vlog with me, let me know in the comment section, okay? Okay guys, I'm supposed to finish this food.